This is how I make a beat. We got this drum loop. Do a little double kick here. Bass sample, we're just gonna cut it up, transpose it a bit. Let's add the drums back in. Got this organ sound. Add some reverb to it. Got a horn sound. Just gonna sequence it here. Go to YouTube, find a J. Cole acapella. Do a little Pharrell intro. And that's it.
1985, I arrived. 33 years, damn, I'm grateful I survived. We wasn't supposed to get past 25. Joke's on you, motherfucker, we alive. All these niggas popping now is young. Everybody say the music that they make is dumb. I remember I was